Hello miners, Rusty coming at you. Today we're going to take another look at a Rough Ryder with an I trapper called Rain. This is the Rain Trapper. And if my old man eyes can read that, tell me what you guys are seeing. Is that? I'll put it in the description. Hopefully you guys can read it. I sure can't. Full has an envelope style box here. Felt lining, magnet enclosure there. Well, this has white bone with black synthetic kind of a filling here. It's kind of different. We don't have the RT bolsters, so we'll take a peek at that. We got, looks like, see if we can make that out, the R reverse R diamond shield. Transitions are great. Brass liners, maybe a touch of gappage going on there. Otherwise, very good. Feels good. Okay. And take a peek at the blade centering. This is an older style clip point with the one, what do we call that? Nail nick, match strike nail nick. We have kind of a reverse etching Rough Ryder on the blade and the horseshoe tank stamps. And we'll see if I can make it out here. Is that a 15 or 16? 96? Looks to be mirrored. You guys can kind of see Rusty. Okay. Trying to get the light just right. And no half stops on this. Where are we at? Right at a 5. Just a real easy 5 pull. All the way open. I think a little bit of oil would smooth that out some. And nice, this is nice with this nail nick that kind of extends a little further. Oh, we don't see this very often. We got a double, 2 blades that are etched. This one says always ready. That's a Rough Ryder logo from way back. Horseshoe tangs. Not sure. Let's see if I can find the box on this. Oh, you know, I don't think I wrote down. Oh yeah. So $12.99. Probably got it at Smoky Mountain Knife Works for 13 bucks. What a deal. What a deal here. Considering that this knife is about the same thing. And this is done by Cold Steel. And 8CR, and I do believe a lot of people speculate that this is made in the Rough Ryder factory. And you know what? This Cold Steel was $26. So basically, and we'll close this up here. I mean, very, very similar. The placement of those nail nicks. The shape of the blades. So, 13 bucks for 26. Okay, guys. Thanks for hanging with the miner.